Hello, my name is Toby Hoff. I'm the inventor of the Li.LAC Microphone Disinfector. Li.LAC is a UVC disinfection chamber that is optimized for microphone disinfection. You can place 3 handheld microphones inside. The microphone goes inside like wine bottles in a wine rack. You close the drawer, you choose a disinfection time, 5 or 10 minutes, and you press start. When the countdown goes to 0, it shows green, green meaning everything inside the drawer has been disinfected. If I open the drawer before the time is 0, it automatically switches off the UVC light and it shows open too early. It is also possible to place other items inside, smaller items like lapel or headset mics. There are 2 accessories included, the spiral spring and this cable tray, which is held by magnets. And then lapel or headset mics can easily be placed inside Li.LAC like this. You should be able to fit 10 to 15 microphones inside Li.LAC. You close the drawer, you start the cycle again. So it's super simple to use. Disinfection through UVC light means no liquids, no toxins, no drying time, no dismantling of the microphone. Simply place it inside, press start. After 5 to 10 minutes, you have a scientifically verified disinfected microphone.